How do you charge your EV like a Tata Nexon at home? So this is my Nexon vehicle EV parked in my parking lot here, and my house is on the fourth floor. So I don't have ready access to the mains. And later in this video, I will go to how you can utilize the mains to charge your vehicle. So here I have this cable running from my house from the AC plug point, 15 amp plug point, to a 15 amp socket here on the ground. And to this, I've connected the Tata power charger. Charging with this method takes 15 hours. This is a slow charge at 7 amps. So there is a quicker way to charge your vehicle in about 6 hours, and that is what this video is going to be. So you can charge it with the normal power point, 15 amp via power point, the 15 amp socket, but it will take 15 hours. The slow charger goes into the charging port here. But if you want to install a fast charger, you have to take certain steps. So that's what this video is going to be. Here in front is the DP unit from where the main power supply comes, and it comes into the meter board over here. So my meter board is over there, the extreme left one, and the construction people have installed only 4 square millimeter wire from the bus bar to the meter and meter to the fuse and all that. So with that, Tata Power has not installed the fast charger so far, and I'm now getting the requirements to install the fast charger. Firstly, if you're moving into a new flat like these or these which are under construction, then you have to get your consumer number from the electricity board. That is the first step. You have to get a consumer number from the electricity board so that you have an individual meter, and the meter will record the current consumption in your house. After that, you have to make alterations to the electrical circuitry in the panel here. So there is a thing called the bus bar. Remember, I told you the section people have used a 4 square millimeter cable. We need 10 square millimeter cable at 4 points. So there is a bus bar here. From the bus bar to the meter, you need 10 square millimeter cable. From the meter to the fuse, you need a 10 square millimeter cable. And from the fuse to the isolator, you need a 10 square millimeter cable. And from the isolator to the output, you need a 10 square millimeter cable. After that, Tata Power will be ready to connect the fast charger which is provided with the vehicle. Tata provides a fast charger with the vehicle, unlike other EV makers like MG and all that. You have to buy the fast charger or the slow charger also extra. You have to pay extra. Tata Nexon, you get it free. And so you need to have a 10 square millimeter outflow from here. And then inside the meter, below the meter, you have the fuse box. You should have a 63 amps fuse over here. And then before the inlet goes into the car, you need a 63 amps MCB or mini circuit breaker. Then Tata Power will come and drill a hole through the wall and take a connection all along the wall to my parking slot, and they will install the fast charger at this point. My fast charger is still lying unopened, and from then after that I can fast charge my car quicker in 6 hours. That's how you install a fast charger for electric vehicle at home. These are the requirements. Many people are not aware of these requirements, and that's why they don't install their fast chargers. They are just content with charging for 15 hours overnight charging. Overnight charging is fine, slow charging is fine, but in areas like these which are prone to night trains, there's a risk of electrical leakage and short circuiting, and that's why I have to charge it during daytime, and I don't have all the time at my disposal of 15 hours once a week or twice a week or once in 2 weeks to charge my car for 15 hours. So I have decided to activate my fast charger. I did not activate my fast charger till now because at the previous location I could not do it. It was old construction. Now I have requested the electrical maintenance team to install the electrical requirements for fast charging, and hopefully it should be done this week. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this information was useful. If you own an electric vehicle, these tips will definitely come into use. If you found this video of any benefit, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload new videos in future. See you in the next video. Cheers.